behind its futuristic design lies a force capable of changing the balance of global power. Republic XF-91 Thunderceptor, the future of aviation has arrived. With a rich heritage and unstoppable innovation, let's explore the future of aviation with the next-generation Republic XF-91 Thunderceptor. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you get the latest updates. This aircraft was one of the United States' efforts during the Cold War to create a very fast fighter aircraft that could effectively intercept air threats. During the Cold War, competition between the United States and the Soviet Union was very fierce, especially in the field of military technology. One of the main focuses was the development of a fighter aircraft that could quickly intercept enemy bombers. The next-generation Republic XF-91 Thunderceptor is designed with advanced technologies and futuristic features that set it apart from previous fighter aircraft. With an emphasis on aerodynamic design, high speed, exceptional maneuverability, and the integration of the latest technologies, the Thunderceptor is a symbol of future air power. The fuselage features a highly refined and aerodynamic design, with sharp lines and proportions that maximize airflow efficiency. The aircraft's structure reduces air resistance, allowing for supersonic flight and stable maneuverability in a variety of conditions. Advanced composite materials are used that are light and strong, providing structural strength without adding weight. These materials are also designed to enhance stealth, reducing radar and infrared reflectivity. The aircraft utilizes a next-generation ramjet or scramjet engine capable of reaching hypersonic speeds. This engine allows the aircraft to cruise at very high speeds, making it ideal for fast attack or long-range reconnaissance missions. The XF-91 Thunderceptor can fly in supersonic or subsonic modes with the ability to perform extreme maneuvers, including sharp changes of direction at high speed. The aircraft will be integrated with a highly sensitive, active electronically scanned array radar and optical sensing system, allowing for the detection of enemies at very long ranges, even in dense and anti-radar environments. With this combination of cutting-edge technologies, the Republic XF-91 Thunderceptor is not just a fighter aircraft, but a symbol of the evolution of air technology that combines speed, sophistication, and combat capabilities ready to dominate the skies of the future.